impossible to hurt. Already felt the pains of the ghetto. My heart was broken by a rat. I took it out on the Damon Stilettos. Got a Luger, guys. AK with detachable parts and a Big Mac plus a supersize. You see the Ruger rise, it's too late, they went through your eyes. Smoke weed with a monk to celebrate when his Buddha dies. Talk about shine, yo, mind glow. Got diamonds buried in the field, protected by gorillas like Congo. I'm in the loft, laid up getting head from a dime hole. Little fast ass thing, but she sucking my nine slow. Pretty white girl, but her nose was like Gonzo's, letting me bang in the mouth just like Alonzo. Morning, I'm Patrick Ewing, look homie, I clap your crew and I drop by your crib and clap it up and leave your mattress ruined. Furniture full of O's, the burner left bullet holes and mad polka dots in this couch like Kwame clothes. Pretty chicks like Robin Givens, the Stranger hoes, throw 'em on the block, they boomerang back with pesos. But I ain't Eddie Murphy, trust me to let her hurt thee. Lame thinking he James when he ain't very worthy. I was the first young nigga to rock a leather derby with the fev on it. If you read the letters on it, spell Lanes B-L-O-O-D. Y'all niggas broke in the hood, I'm trying to bubble OT. Front bumper came off my whip to smuggle low Z's. Try to be a stranger to danger, but trouble know me. But it's nothing, I just wait with the Mac. Soon as he come my way, I put that nigga's face in his lap. Bullets get tired of flying, stop and take a break in his hat. Only way he escaping that if he the matrix of that. Every chain and bracelet I rock's custom kitted. Specialized spinning wheels, nigga custom kitted. Trucks I'm whipping, they like cats with they newborns. Quick to eat it if somebody touch they kitten. Like Bernie Mac, I just get the Badussi and roll. You hop in your car and ride around on pussy patrol. Tinted with your heathen and pistol gripping cock and lead. Ready to kill a little nigga cause he got some head. Me on the other hand, my wife said I'm worse than the pigeon because the only time I'm around is when she dropping bread. I walk like Jordan, cameras out, I stop and pose. You couldn't fill my shoes if you work for Dr. Shows. My swag, sorta like I shitted on myself. Pants sag, stepping like filling on myself. Shorty walked in the door, hair cute and all purdy, but left with the same hairdo as Julius Service. Afro black with a little right on the top, cause I was pointing at the wig when it shot on my pop. So even when she did it slow, I still bust fast. That's why she kept answering the door with a milk mustache. Swallowing purposely like she sponsored my sons. Deep throating like she got no tonsils or lungs. Street with my knuckle game, but a monster with guns. I'm like a black Charles Bronson in one. Listen, hey yo, get a pistol, let it whistle. Better hit you, miss your tissue, rip your tissue. It's official, I'm real gangster, man. Not to mention, got your chicken slobbing, licking, cocking, kitten, rocking, stiffing. I'm doing numbers like Chamberlain. Streets disciple, keep a rifle, read a Bible. Never that holy Quran in my palm. Allah, please save me, man. Word to mother, herbs I smother, burn them to a third with rubber. Hummingbirds that chirp with thunder, did dirt, now that's what you wonder. The type to slay your grammar. With major hammer, start screaming like David Banner, say a pray for Nana. Plastic block work, so gorilla niggas get souffles of gray bananas. Take me out the jungle, leave me caged in slammers. Long shanks that's poppy size. Neat work, no sloppy guys. Heat work for Brocky guys. Tommy guns like Rocky 5. Homies scream for that, Jamaicans yell out Selassie. Real MCs proceed, fake ones continue to copy mine. Why your homie think he official like he blazes pistol? Why he act like this money thing can't be a major issue? Well, blow the whistle, time out, let's stop the playing with you. I could easily write a check for your neck and pay to get you. Since you ain't worth much, they do it for loose change and have your block flooded with D's like a Duke game. Blue devil, spit blue metal, coke in the blue kettle. New levels, dealing with O's, came up from 2 pebbles. Dude settled for less, I settled for 1 dime. Living another day and waking up to the sunshine. Out of hands at the one time. But still I feel urges for splurges, but that only be sometime. That's why these niggas wanna stick me for my great necklace. Until I wave text out the side of my gray Lexus and bullets straight reckless. All you see is the flame exit while the gun drop shells like J Records. We similar to wolves, so my platoon grind out of reach of the sun vibes, but only at moonshine. Freaks come out when it's night, nigga. So the freaks come out at night with gun pipes, nigga.